What's up, folks? So I'm going to do another video on vendor reviews. I don't have a whole lot of this tool, this manufacturer, Milwaukee. It is made by Tektronix, which is the same company that makes AEG, Ryobi, Hoover, Dirt Devil, Vax, and Homelite. So I wasn't aware of that, but based on the research I did, that's where the other tools they make. In 1924, Tektronix, or Milwaukee, which is what it was at the time, when they started out, they made a hole shooter, which was the first lightweight, portable, one-handed, quarter-inch capacity drill, which was their initial tool. Today I've got a pin light that I use. They've got a lot of neat tools at Home Depot. Measuring tape. There's usually multi-packs of these, and I'll buy because I lose measuring tapes all the time. The only actual power tool I've got from Milwaukee is my reciprocating saw, and this thing works great. I've had it for probably 5 years. The only thing I don't like about it is the chuck on it, but other than that, it works like a champ. So really just kind of curious what your thoughts are on their tools. I do not have any of their cordless power tools, but I've heard nothing but great things about them. And the only reason I don't have any of their cordless stuff is because I started buying DeWalt, and I don't see the purpose of having multiple tools. And I gotta make sure multiple batteries are charged, and I have a hard enough time making sure my DeWalt batteries are charged. So let me know what you think about them. A lot of people love their tools. I have actually thought about converting my cordless nail gun to Milwaukee. The only thing that kind of holds me back is they were kind of pricey. But let me know your thoughts on it. Have a good one.